Remedies are the legal responses provided by the courts to address a civil wrong and place the claimant in the position they would have been in had the tort not occurred. The remedies in tort law are compensatory damages, mitigation of loss, and injunctions. Compensatory damages are a monetary award intended to compensate the claimant for the loss suffered as a result of the defendant's tort. The elements of compensatory damages are pecuniary loss and non-pecuniary loss. Pecuniary loss is financial loss that can be calculated in monetary terms, such as loss of earnings or medical expenses, as shown in Smith v. Manchester Corporation. Non-pecuniary loss is loss that cannot be precisely calculated in money, such as pain, suffering, and loss of amenity, as shown in West v. Shepherd. Mitigation of loss are the rules requiring the claimant to take reasonable steps to reduce the loss caused by the defendant's wrongdoing. The elements of mitigation of loss are the claimant's duty to mitigate and the defendant's burden of proof. The claimant's duty to mitigate means the claimant must act reasonably to limit their losses after the tort, as shown in British Westinghouse Electric v. Underground Electric Railways. The defendant's burden of proof means it is for the defendant to show that the claimant failed to take reasonable steps to mitigate their loss, as shown in Paisu v. Saunders. Injunctions are court orders requiring a defendant to do or refrain from doing a specific act to prevent ongoing or future harm. The elements of injunctions are that damages must be inadequate, the balance of convenience must favor the claimant, and the remedy is discretionary. Damages must be inadequate means that monetary compensation would not sufficiently remedy the harm, as shown in Shelfer v. City of London Electric Lighting. The balance of convenience means the court weighs the harm to both parties to decide whether granting the injunction is fair, as shown in American Cyanamid v. Ethicon. The discretionary nature of injunctions means the court is not obliged to grant them and will consider fairness and justice in each case, as shown in Miller v. Jackson. Thank you for watching this video on remedies in tort law. I'll see you in the next one.